The usage of styles can help us to work effectively both in small and large projects because we can save all the properties of one element into one style and we can use it during our daily work. The current project was created using walls with different thickness. Now we want to save this exterior wall and use it in our future projects. There are two ways to do it when we want to create a style from an existing element. Either click on the Style Manager button on the left or select the properties of the element on the floating menu. We can create styles from the property window as well by clicking on the button below with the No Style text. This button opens the list of all the existing styles on the right of the property window. If the No Style text appears on this button, it means that the current element was created by the user with arbitrary settings. It is not necessary to work with styles to use the program, but it can make it easier and more manageable if the mostly used settings are saved into a style. If we want to save the settings of the current wall into a new style, then after setting and checking its properties, we click on the New button. First of all, we have to give a name to our new style. We can give here a folder or even a subfolder to organize it, like it is seen in the style list. If we don't want to fill in these fields, the new style will be created to the first level. Let's see how we can work with our newly created style. If we start the wall command, the styles appear on the left and the 44 wall style can be selected from the list. If we click on it, its preview appears below. We may start the work, and with the correct measurements, we can draw the new exterior walls. During work, we can easily switch between styles without having to restart the command. If we close the command, the styles disappear, but if we start any element creating command, its styles will be available from the left. There is one more thing to do if we want to use our newly created style in other projects too. Currently, this style is only available in this project and the work on this plan is faster since we can easily switch between the 44 wall style and others. However, if we want to use it in other future projects, we have to move it to the user's package of styles. To do so, we start the wall command again, but this time we click on the 44 wall style with right mouse button. From the appearing menu, we select the Move to Package of Styles My option. After this, we can see that the icon of the style has changed, which means that it is now in the user's package of styles and can be used in other projects as well.